If you're a general contractor in Ontario, you know that a valid WSIB certificate today doesn't mean the contractor is eligible tomorrow. This is RosterSure. It's a single source of truth that puts your subcontractor compliance on autopilot. Instead of digging through folders, you get a simple red, gray, yellow, and green dashboard. Here is the problem with manual checks. Paper certificates expire. RosterSure automatically refreshes statuses nightly. If a sub misses a premium payment and becomes ineligible, we flag them red immediately, even if their paper certificate still looks valid. And because liability is forever, we keep a permanent forensic record. You can prove exactly who verified a document and when. Need a hard copy? Export the full evidence trail to CSV instantly. Auditor asking about a job from last year? Generate a retroactive compliance snapshot in seconds. Prove you were safe then, not just now. Download the snapshot instantly. Give your auditor a clean, time-stamped spreadsheet, proving you were compliant on the exact date they are investigating. Stop chasing emails. With one click, you can invite a subcontractor to manage their own documents. They receive an invite, activate a secure account, and upload their specific insurance documents directly. No more lost attachments or unsecured emails. The documents arrive in your queue for final review. You approve them, and the system automatically tracks the new expiry dates. We even handle the reminders. RosterSure notifies you and your sub before coverage runs out, so you never get caught with an expired policy on site. Worried about the setup time? Don't be. Simply upload your existing spreadsheet, and RosterSure builds your entire database instantly. Now, let's see the real power. I'm uploading a list of 200 subcontractors from a spreadsheet. RosterSure isn't just importing names. Right now, it is live checking every single WSIB account against the government database, validating coverage dates, and verifying insurance policies. And done. Look at that! It instantly flagged 2 ineligible contractors you might have missed, marked 3 for review, and confirmed 195 are safe to start work immediately. RosterSure is hosted right here in Canada and built specifically for Ontario regulations. Start your free 30-day trial today and stop leaving compliance to chance.